Hello and thank you for watching. In this short video, I'm going to go over root position diatonic chords in the key of B flat melodic minor. Diatonic chords are simply the chords that occur naturally when you're living in a certain scale. The chords come from the scale tones. So in this case, melodic minor, because some of the notes change on the way down, creates more chords, and it can be a little bit confusing at times. And the purpose of this video is for you to understand all the options you may encounter when using melodic minor. So here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to review the 4 types of chords we're going to encounter diatonically in B flat melodic minor. And all 4 of these chords are going to be some combination of major thirds and minor thirds. So I just want to go over those intervals really quickly. A major third is a distance between 2 notes, and the definition of it is 4 half steps. 4 half steps apart. And sometimes with my students I say skip 3 keys or 3 keys in the middle. For a major third, minor third is just one smaller than that. So 3 half steps, skip 2. So the 4 types of chords are going to be some combination of major thirds and minor thirds. So let's start with a major chord. Major chord is a major third on the bottom and a minor third on the top. Major third, minor third, that makes a major chord. Minor chord is the opposite of that, so we'll start here. Let's do 3 half steps on the bottom and then 4 half steps on the top. Minor third plus major third, that equals a minor chord. Diminished chord is 2 minor thirds stacked on top of each other. Minor third plus minor third, it's called a diminished chord, feels kind of compact. And then finally, we have major third followed by major third. Major third plus major third equals an augmented chord. So 4 types of chords, and next we will review the ascending melodic minor scale in B flat. We have Do is B flat, Re, C, May, that's a lowered third, D flat, Fa, E flat, So, F, and then we have a raised 6th, La, G, raised 7th, T, and Do. That's your ascending melodic minor. Sometimes with my students, I refer to that as a hybrid scale, minor on the bottom, major on the top. Only for going up though. And then going down in melodic minor, we use the natural minor scale. So lowered third, lowered 6th, and lowered 7th. So on the way up, it's only lowered third. On the way down, lowered third, 6th, 7th. So to make the diatonic harmonies, or the triads, in these triad scales I'm talking about, you're just going to take the notes of this scale and stack them in thirds. So for the 1 chord, Do is the 1 chord because Do is the first note of the scale. We're going to skip Re, May, skip Fa, and So. So Do, May, So, B flat, D flat, F, minor third on the bottom, major third on the top. 1 chord is minor. Moving up the scale, we have Re, Fa, La. Raised 6th here. Re, Fa, La. C, E flat, G. Minor third on the bottom, major third on the top. The 2 chord in ascending melodic minor is minor. Moving up the scale, we have May, So, T, D flat, F, A, major third, skip 3 notes, and major third, skip 3 keys. The 3 chord in ascending melodic minor is an augmented chord. Now moving up the scale, Fa, and then that raised 6th again, La, and then Do. Fa, La, Do. E flat, G, B flat, you can hear right away that's a major chord, major third on the bottom, minor third on the top. Moving up the scale, we have So, T, there's our raised 7th again, and Re. So, T, Re, is minor third. The 5 chord is major. Now moving up, we have La, we have Do, we have
May,
G, B flat, D.
flat,
Minor third on the bottom, minor third on the top. The 6th chord in ascending melodic minor is diminished. And then moving up, we have T, Re, Fa, A, C, E flat. Again, minor third on the bottom, minor third on top. The 7th chord in ascending melodic minor is diminished. And then we're back to the 1 chord. So going up in melodic minor, let's review. We have 1 is minor, 2 is minor, 3 augmented, 4 major, 5 also major, 6 is diminished, 7 is diminished, and 1 is minor. Now, you may recall that on the way down in melodic minor, the 6th and 7th scale degrees get lowered by a half step. So La to Le and Ti to Te. So it changes the descent to a natural minor scale using all 5 black keys. So coming down, because some of the scale notes change, the harmonies are going to change as well. So I'm going to start up here and we're going to go down. So the 1 chord is still minor. When we move down, T changes to Te. So now the 7th chord is major. Then we move down 1. The La has moved down to Le. We have Le, Do, Re. 6th chord also major. And then our 5 chord, we have So, Te, Re. 5 chord becomes minor. 4 chord, Fa, Le, Do. 4 chord, also minor. 3 chord, we have Me, So, Te, Me, So, Te, major. And then our 2 chord, Re, Fa, Le. 2 is diminished and 1 is minor. So take this exercise very slowly when you're practicing melodic minor. Let's do up and down one more time. Let's do it with the left hand this time. Try to keep track of where the black keys are and the chord harmonies. So they will be different on the way down. Going up, we have 1 is minor, 2 black keys on the bottom. 2, also minor, black key in the middle. 3, augmented. Feel how stretched out that is, and the black key on the bottom for that chord. Moving up, 4, major. 5, also major. And we've got our 6th chord is diminished, feels very squished. 7th chord, also diminished. And 1 chord. Now moving down, natural minor, 1 is minor, 7 is major, lowered 7th this time. 6th, also major, lowered 6th this time. 5 is minor, we have that lowered 7th in the middle. 4 is minor, got that lowered 6th in the middle. 3, major. 2 is diminished, and 1 is minor. So to recap, all I'm doing is creating chords that occur naturally when I only use the notes of the scale. Practicing these scales is so useful when you're trying to get used to how a key feels, where the black keys are, what the up and downs are. I encourage you to do it both with the right hand, the left hand, hands together, hands separately, but have fun with it because it's really fun once you really feel confident about the scale notes. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel for other videos like this, and also quick piano tips and piano literature, as well as chord progressions and that sort of thing. I also encourage you to let me know of your progress in the comments below. Let me know if there's certain videos you would like to see on this channel, and I'll see if I could do that. Thanks again for watching.